Hi guys! So, it's been a while since lumabas kami naglalakord. Kasama ko syempre ang mga kids ko. Ngayon sila. Nabago na pala ngayon ng saboten no. Dati kasi malaki yung servings nila na cabbage, but now ganito na lang siya kaliit. Yes, the salad. The kids are waiting for their food.
One of the reasons why Saboten has been one of our comfort food spots for a while now is because of their tonkatsu. The kids love it and also it never disappoints us. And the best part, it comes with unlimited rice, shredded cabbage salad, and miso soup. So if you're extra hungry, sobrang sulit to. What I love about this place is that it's not just good food but also it's a whole experience. Sobrang legit yung sarap ng tonkatsu nila dito at hindi kayo talaga magsisisi. And I highly recommend Saboten if you're coming to Japan and craving a solid tonkatsu meal. Let me know in the comment section kung ano pa yung mga cravings nyo that we can review next time. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next food adventures. So bye!